Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. If you are new here, my name is Patricia, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, we are completing this makeup look. So if you like it and if you're interested in seeing how I got it done, keep on watching. For this makeup look, I was inspired by fall coming upon us and some neutral colors and browns. So that's why I decided to do the makeup the way I decided to do it today. My skincare was all done and prepped. I was putting some of the NYX Fat Oil Lip Drip on my lips, and I love this lip oil, probably on my third bottle. It is so great and moisturizing. Then I went on my face with some of the Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin Blurring Balm Powder. I used the color number 8. So I kind of wanted to put a little bit of this down. I really like this, but I also feel like it's slightly a little too matte for my liking. So then I went on top with the Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin Serum Skin Tint, which is a very, very light product, very much a skin tint and not a foundation. But I actually really like the combination of these two because I feel like it just adds a little bit of the moisture and gives me, a little fresh face, my skin, but better look. So I like those two combined. I then went in with the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. This one is in the shade Chestnut. I did under my eyes, down the middle of my face, so my forehead, my nose, my upper lip, and then the sides of my mouth because I do think I have a little hyperpigmentation there. I let that sit for a little bit, and then I went on top with, I absolutely love Matte Fix Plus. I used it back in the day. I stepped away from it, and when I came back, I said, why did I ever leave you? I had a moment with it because it's just that good. So I sprayed some of that on my face, and then I got to blending. Don't mind me because I really am jamming to some music while I'm doing my makeup. So if you see me doing a lot, then you know why. I had some good music playing in the background. So that's why. So then I went in with this Hourglass Vanish Airbrush Concealer. I got a little mini, and I love this. So I will be investing in the larger one. This is in the shade Maple. So I just did a little bit of that in the inner corners to highlight my under eyes. While that was setting, I used some of the Sephora Shape and Set Clear Brow Gel to kind of just brush up and tame my brows. And here I am having a moment with music. So don't mind that. So you may ask, Patricia, what is this concoction of powder that you're waving around? And I have an answer for you. So that is a combination of Laura Mercier's translucent powder in medium deep, which I absolutely love, and the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter setting powder in the shade Honey. So I mixed these two because while I love Laura Mercier Medium Deep, I also have this large container of the Pro Filter in the shade Honey. I love that color. It's a little drying, I would say. So I like to add a little bit of that to the Laura Mercier. And because I have the shade Medium Deep, the Laura Mercier, which I think is great all over face, I like the honey color because I think it's perfect to set my highlighted areas as well. I then went in with the Juvia's Place Bronzed palette in the shade Dark. I mixed both of those colors together to bronze my face, my forehead, my cheeks, that jawline, baby, for the girls like me that didn't make it to the gym today. Then I went in with a little bit more of a tapered brush, and I just take that top color and I did a little nose snatching. I absolutely love this NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Mattifying Power. This one is in the shade Golden, and I use that to just highlight further highlight my under eyes and just kind of set it. And you can totally see the difference here between the right eye, which I did, and the left, which is not done yet. And I think it just gives me that extra oomph, the extra smoothness under the eyes. I'm going in with a little bit of the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray to do a little setting in between the makeup. Unpopular opinion, it's not my favorite. That's all I'm going to say about that. For blush, I go into the Sephora collection, just the powder blush that they have in the shade Poppy. It's a really pretty color combo. Then to top that and give myself a little bit of luminosity, I do go in with the Sephora collection Colorful Luminizer, and in the shade Blinding Bronze. It's very pretty. It's subtle. I don't like a chunky, aggressive highlighter. I like a subtle, luminizing highlighter, and that's what this gives me. Now for the eyes, we are using an oldie but a goodie, which will stay in my collection forever until I hit pan on every single one of those colors. I'm breaking out the Jackie Aina and Anastasia Beverly Hills collaboration palette. Absolutely love this palette. And fun fact, my first eyeshadow palette purchase. And I feel like it is just an OG for the girls that look like me. I am also using this Revolution makeup palette. This is the Forever Flawless Nude Silk palette, and I'm using that for one of the shimmer shades there. Hey, all work, no pleasure. I ain't here to make friends, big stepper. Okay, so first I went in with the shade Ginger from this palette, and that's what I used all in my crease. And then I went in with the shade Credit to put in my outer corner and deepen it up. I love that dark chocolate brown. I then went in with the shade For Real from that Revolution palette, and that was used in the front portion of my eye, inner corner area, and I blended everything together, and that's the look. That's the eyeshadow look. Cute, easy, pretty. I gotta do my lashes off camera because that would be a struggle trying to show you guys. So now that the lashes are on, I took my hair clips down just so I can pull my full look together. It's looking so pretty. I wiped all the makeup off my lips that accumulated throughout this process so I can get the final lip on. So as my liner, I'm using the NYX Lingerie Push Up Long Lasting Lipstick. It's like a chunky pen. I have used this as lip liner for a while now, and I love it. Love it, love it. Then for my lipstick, I'm using the Artist Couture lipstick in the shade Saucy Gal. This is a really pretty nude color, and I'm putting that on the inside. Just rubbing it all in. I love this combo. I love it, I love it, I love it. And this is the complete makeup look. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please let me know. Comment down below if you have any questions about any of the products I used or techniques or anything like that. Let me know, and hopefully I can have an answer for you. If you did enjoy today's video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you are interested in more videos from moi, please consider subscribing and joining our growing YouTube family. Again, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Before I put it in her place.